Hey guys, my name is Christian from SolidWorks Solutions, and in this short demonstration video I'm going to show you how to export and import SolidWorks Electrical files to and from EPDM. So as you can see on my screen, I've already started opening or already have a project open. I'm pretty much finished designing this project, and what I would like to do is I would like to create an entry into our EPDM system so that it can be revision managed. To do that, I will go to the Import Export tab on the top and link my project to a PDM configuration. Now note that you need to have access to a vault and to the EPDM server. So I've got my server set up, or my vault is going to be fast track. So if I drop this down, you can actually see the different vaults that you've got available. Next, I'm going to specify a directory where my projects are going to be saved. So I can hit this button over here and I can just browse my vault. Note that you need to be logged in with your current username. And you can either make a new folder over here, or you can add it to any existing folders if you want to. I'm just going to call mine Electrical. Now, underneath the Electrical folder, it's going to create the project data. We can set up a formula for each project data or for each folder. So at the moment, it will just use the project name, and underneath the project name, it will archive all the things that I select over here. Of course, we can select the formula manager and create our own custom formulas for the folder name. I will archive my project. So what that means is it creates a zip file of everything that's in my project. So 3D files, 2D files, my PDFs, etc. We can select to export drawings into our PDM system as well. Just check this box over here. It will then automatically generate a drawing folder with, again, a formula manager that has been set up. And we can select the format DWG or DXF. I can select these export 3D files as well. To save some time, I will just uncheck this at the moment. The 3D files will also be included into the archive project zip file as well. So if you check this box, you're pretty much doubling up the data. I will send off a PDF as well. So we click one file per book. So one PDF file per book. I only have one in here, so it will only generate one. Export componentry. It's pretty handy, nice tool inside this PDF printer, because what it does is it will automatically export the marks of your components. So K1, K2, X1, X2, and inside Adobe Reader we can select them and it will automatically jump to the correct schematic for us. We can also export all reports. We can set it to Excel, comma separated values, or just a text file. If I select that I want to export all the reports that are in here, I don't need to individually check them anymore. I just simply click on OK. And that's pretty much set up my PDM or my project. Next thing that I need to do is I can update my files for PDM. So if I select that, it will actually create an entry into my EPDM system. So if I click yes, you can see SolidWorks brings up the screen over here and it starts exporting everything to PDM. Now it does need to create all the reports. So depending on how many reports you have and how many 3D files you're actually going to send to EPDM, it will actually depends. The time depends on the amount of files, which makes sense. So it's just printing the PDF at the moment. Generating all the drawings. And once that's finished, the screen will actually disappear and I can pretty much now close this project. Now before I close this, or before I'm actually going to delete this project here, because I'm pretty much finished now, I just want to double check to see if it's actually in my vault. So we'll go to my fast track folder over here. We've got a folder electrical. You can see that I've got my pumping station over here. And we've got our subfolders over here as well. So let's have a quick look at the PDF that I've created. If I just open it up, you can pretty much see that I've got my PDF in here with all my drawings. And to check if the component tree has been exported as well, I can actually just look at all the different components in here. So if I go to my circuit breaker, I can simply select it and it will automatically jump to that circuit breaker. There is a separate video on this on our web blog as well. Okay, so if I look over here, my PDF is now at the moment version 1. Let's say, for instance, I want to make a change to this project now. I've got my archive file over here, and you can see it automatically gives me a preview of what is in that actually archive file. So you can see, because it's just a normal zip file. Now what I will do is I will open up SolidWorks Electrical again, and I will unarchive a project. First I will delete my old one. And I will unarchive directly from the vault. Now what this does is creates a new entry in my database and unzips the project so I can use it again inside SolidWorks Electrical. I always like to update my data, even though it's not sometimes not necessary. It will go quick if it's not necessary. Okay, now let's make a quick change to my schematic maybe. What I will do is I will make a very quick change. It's not going to make much sense, but I just want to show you the principle here. So go from here and connect it up. Here we go. Okay, so once this is done, I've now made a change to my actual project over here. So I can now simply again go to Import Export, link to PDM configuration. We can see that everything is still the same. What I will do is I will, just to make things a bit quicker, only export to PDF so that you can actually see that it creates a new revision or a new version in this case, depending on your workflow, and just update the files to PDM. Yep. Now it will automatically print the PDF for us again. And once this is done, I can go back into my vault, go to electrical, pumping station, PDF. And if I select PDF now, we can see that we've got version 2 of 2. And if I open this up and go to my schematic, we can see that we've added light or indicator number 2, H2, that's there. I can also simply get my older version and open this one up, and this one doesn't have a light. So that's just a quick video to show you how to insert or how to link SolidWorks Electrical to your EPDM vault. Thank you for watching.